Hola vloggers! Hi friends! You already know I'm headed to the gym right now. I did not weigh in this morning just cause like I didn't feel like it was gonna say what I wanted it to say. So you know, I'm gonna give it another day. Oh, I forgot my water. I missed one of my resistance workouts last week. I missed back and shoulders, so I'm actually gonna do that today. And then so I guess that'll give me 4 resistance workouts to do this week on the power program, but I'm cool with that. And I'm really excited because I ordered this keto pancake mix that I saw on Instagram off Amazon. I feel like I get so many good meal and recipe ideas off of Instagram. So anyways, yeah, I ordered the pancake mix, I ordered this sugar-free syrup, and I ordered this brownie mix that all had really good reviews off of Amazon. So I'm excited to try those out and then just be able to like have that on hand for when I want a treat instead of being like suffering through it and depriving myself and then end up like binging or cheating. My cakes are coming back. Hi guys, it is Wednesday, 12:45. I'm running a little bit behind. What else is new? I have chest and tries today. Yesterday was a flawless day of eating, but I have to say I have some scale frustration because I stepped on the scale this morning and it said 201.1 and I'm not happy with that. But I'm like, I'm doing everything right, so I just gotta keep going. I actually haven't eaten anything yet except for a coffee, and I had some pre-workout. So I'll be like really hungry after the gym. And yeah, oh yeah, yesterday, not even intentionally, but I like did intermittent fasting. I mean, potentially I could do that today too. Like I probably won't eat till 2, so actually yeah, that kind of works. I'm supposed to go to Vegas this weekend, but honestly, it's like I want to go, but I'm like, I feel like I'm on a mission right now, and I feel like if I go to Vegas, it's gonna throw me off. I don't know. Y'all, I look crazy. So I just found out that my dad is actually coming down to stay with me, so I'm really excited. So I was like cleaning this morning and stuff, and I have to edit, and then I have an event tonight, so I'm gonna take today off from the gym, honestly, just because I don't have time. I'm reading your comments right now. Today's Thursday, so I'm reading your comments from last night's video. I just feel so grateful for all the love and support, you guys. Like, it really just makes me just feel good, like motivated that you guys get me and that there's so many people who can relate to my reality, and I'm just thankful that I can connect with people on that level, because social media can be kind of depressing. Everyone just puts out their like perfect self, which, you know, I'm guilty of sometimes too on my Instagram. Anyways, here on YouTube you guys get the real, but yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get to editing right now and I will check in a little bit. Oh, I was gonna go to Starbucks, but I ended up making my own cold brew. and it's super tasty. I just get the one from the grocery store. It's called like Stokes Unsweetened Cold Brew, and I just put a little bit of heavy cream and a little bit of almond milk, so it's good because I'm not getting the artificial sweetener. I did eat half of a Quest bar last night, and then I guess I accidentally dropped it on the ground. I have no idea how, but Gremlin ate the other half of it. Did you eat a Quest bar? You ate a Quest bar last night? Did you? Hi guys, so while my nose contour looks a little strong, but there's no going back, I ended up barely finishing my video. I still have a other couple things I need to take care of, but I have to leave now to my event. I am heading to a Too Faced event, and then my dad is gonna be in town when I'm done, so I'm really excited. I'm gonna meet up with my dad and my brother. So I just have these like comfy pants on, and then I just put on a t-shirt and I'm draping the jacket. You guys, this is my friend Zachary.
What's up? This is my friend Chrisspy, if you didn't know.
You guys don't know this, but he actually encouraged me to upload last week's vlog through our conversation at an event. So
I love her videos so much. Watching them like inspires me so much. Like I usually don't watch like too many vlogs, but yours, love them so much. I love them.
And he's gonna start his own vlogs because I told him he has to.
So we like inspire each other a little bit, right?
Yeah. So I just left the event, that little cafe that they had it at, Alfred Coffee. They have the most amazing oat milk lattes and like matcha lattes and stuff, but I couldn't have any because it's like sugar. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm excited to have dinner with my brother and my dad tonight. Hopefully traffic isn't too bad. Hi guys, it is Friday. It's actually late. I'm late to checking into the vlog, but what's up? So last night my brother, my dad, and I just ended up eating at the house. We just ordered some takeout from this Mexican place that looked amazing on Yelp. And when the food came, like, I just ordered some ceviche. And then I did eat like one of like the shrimp tacos. I just took the tortilla off and ate the inside. And then we ordered some asada tacos, and dude, the meat was so chewy and dry and rough. I literally took a bite of one of the tacos and spit it out. It was pretty disappointing. So that's all I ate, and then yeah, I went to bed. I was kind of complaining today to my friend, saying like, you know, I've been working hard for like 3 weeks. Well, kind of hard. And I was like, I feel like I haven't lost any weight. And he was just like, you gotta be patient. It takes time. Just don't stop. Because if you stop, then you for sure aren't going to lose any weight. And also, it's not to say like, oh, I hate my body, like I'm so terrible looking. Like, no, not at all. Like, I want to feel healthy. I don't want to feel, you know, like doing these workouts are so difficult because I'm carrying all this extra weight. Like, I just want to feel good. And I do feel good. Like, it's not like I said, like, I do love my body. But at the same time, I have goals that I want to achieve. Like, I've gotten so much better with my push-ups on like the ones on my knees, but the regular ones, like the incline push-ups, I got a lot of work to do, guys. I'm excited for it and I'm ready for it. Hi guys, I haven't vlogged all day, apologies. I was unboxing and then I don't even know what I was saying. But I'm out to dinner right now with my brother and my dad.
Hi. How's it going?
My dad needs assistance reading the menu over here.
Hey.
He forgot his spectacles.
Get the fuck out of here.
Alan is literally mad because he didn't do his hair. And mind you,
Grandma says they didn't take my drink order.
oh, and they didn't take his drink order, but mind you, my dad and I have been waiting for Alan since 6 p.m. Alan got a vegan burger. He's so LA and bougie. I got a burger and I'm eating it without the bun. And it's
Because you're
out.
on keto and you're so LA and bougie. Thank you.
Maybe a little.
Alright, Mom. I love you too. Cheers, guys. Cheers, Christina.
Looking back on this week, I'm glad that I made time for my friends and family and was able to have a little bit of balance between having a social life and trying to maintain this program that I'm on. Next week, it's going to be a challenge to keep this up, and I really want to become even more strict. I have a busy week and some travels ahead, so let's see what happens.